Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to lock or unlock home screen layout in Samsung A36 or A56. If you want to lock your home screen layout, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, if you have enabled so you cannot move your app icons just like that. So let's see how can you enable lock home screen layout. Just open the settings and here just go for home screen and then look for lock home screen layout just like that. Just enable it. After enabling that, just go back and here whenever you want to move any app, so you will get this type dialog box which is home screen layout is allowed. You can unlock it in settings. So after that you can't move or change your home screen layout. So after for unlocking, you just have to open your settings again, so you can easily open it from the home screen directly just like that. Just open the settings and here just disable the lock home screen layout which we have just enabled just like that. So after that you can easily move your app just like this. So that's how you can easily lock or unlock your home screen layout in Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.